Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Renal collar. Renal collar. Renal collar is the main renal vein. So in renal collar, this is the inferior vena cava and this is the main renal vein. Main renal vein divides and sends one limb anteriorly. Sorry. This is the inferior vena cava. This is the kidney. Okay. This is the renal vein. Okay. This renal vein will send two limbs, one limb anteriorly and one limb posteriorly to the aorta to reach the inferior vena cava. So, the main renal vein will send two limbs. One limb is sent anteriorly, one limb is sent posteriorly, and when so that both the limbs will reach the inferior vena cava. So this is called as this forms a collar. So these renal veins will form a collar around the aorta, causing renal collar. These renal collar are present on the left side and they will represent the persistence of embryonic state.
thank you and thank you for watching.